freaking subscription box from the Pretty Jane's box with different CBD products in it. Y'all ready to get into the box? Let's get into the box. Okay. So, the first thing that came in my subscription box from the Pretty Jane's box are these CBD infused gummy bears. The total, here we go. The total amount of milligrams in this one package is 75 milligrams. I thought this was super cute. And I haven't tried this yet, but I'm excited. It's a banana flavored CBD infused lollipop. The reason I like lollipops so much is because you consume it slowly. And so because you consume it slowly, you really can notice exactly when it kicks in. It gives you that really calm feeling throughout the day. The next thing in my, I'm a fluffy girl, so I like sweet stuff. So this is a strawberry cheesecake koala bar. Oh my goodness. It has 500 milligrams of CBD in it. In this one box. So it's fresh dried strawberries paired with creamy New York style cheesecake, white chocolate topped with a cinnamon graham crust. Yo. That's bomb. That's so bomb. So this is a diamond CBD hemp extract, CBD oil. Let's open it up, right? Let's see. Oh, perfect. It comes like in a little dropper. All right. Ooh, that feels cool. So it's a CBD bath bomb. Oh, let's try to smell it. Ooh, it smells like, if I could paint a picture on how this smells, it's like running through a field of lilies. Lilies? Maybe lilies. It's like running through a field of lilies with just pure happiness and joy. Like, shout out to the owner of Pretty Jane's box because they like really thought this through. So the other thing that's in here is basically like an info card, and then even on the back it gives you a recipe for a CBD shake for you to make at home. A beginner's guide to CBD. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. It was fun talking about this product. It was fun talking about this box. It was fun just kind of like chit-chatting with y'all. Until next time, I'm signing out, niece.